Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to review the Tudia merge case for the Pixel 7a. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Tudia merge case for the Pixel 7a. If you are looking for a case to protect your phone, look no further. I need to give a shout out for Tudia, or to Tudia, for sending this case out to me for review. They actually sent me out one in pink, one in blue, and then also, I'm gonna say this is metal or silver gray, whatever color you want to call it. Let's see if they have the color on the back. It's gray, so it's a gray case. So we'll test out each one. We'll see how they look on there. But the black one is the one I'm gonna try out and review. I have been using Tudia cases for a while now, and it's great to see them making different cases for, you know, different devices too, not just the big boys in the tech game. And they've been doing it for a while now too. But nice packaging from them. If you want to pause it and read it, you can definitely do so. They do make it easy to get into. Nothing much in there. Here's the case. You have the little logo there. I like that little T logo. And you have the little pattern in the inside. Now this is a hard TPU plastic there. More branding. And then this has like a grip pattern to it too. And here too, you can get you extra grip, which is great because that's the one reason why people drop their phones. They lose, you know, you can't grip the case or the phone itself. Now this one is not precisely cut out for the back, so they just have it across the camera bar there. I like it when companies actually cut out the camera and the flash back there, because this one, if you hit something sharp, you can, you know, dent up that camera array back there. But it does give you protection if you're laying it down. You also get lip action all the way around. The case is screen protector friendly. It's working with my speaking case. Screen protector, at least. I have everything lines up at the bottom there. The microphone at the top lines up. This case does not add bulk to your phone. I mean, look, side profile, you can see the top, this side. So it doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. The power button is nice and tactile. Same thing with the volume rockers. You can hear them, easy to press. Man, this is a nice case too. Tudia stepping up the game. The overall fit is good too. I mean, a little loose around the power down there, the USB, but not bad. And the top is secure, man. Let's see, trying to take it off. See, you need some effort to get it off, and look, it snaps back on too. My screen is bright, y'all. So, it takes a little work to get it off, which is always good. I always mention that, because you don't, when you drop your phone, like, you don't want to adjust the phone to pop out the case. So you want it to fit good like it is right there. That's a nice fitting case. Can you wireless charge? Let's find out. I have my little trusty puck. Let's see. Yes, you can wireless charge without any issues. Not a problem there. But what y'all think about this one? I like this case too. Let me pause the video. I'm gonna get out the different colors and we can try each one out. All right, so here's the pink one. It does have like this maroon color, which I forgot about. They do that a lot with their cases and their colors. So I do like this color here. Bam, there you go. The one thing I forgot to mention too, it doesn't show off the beauty of your phone. You know, that's obvious there. So that is the pink one. Here's the blue. The blue looks nice too. Now they all fit the same, so I'm not trying like each one out. And here's the gray. I like that gray too, that gray and black. That actually looks nice. My Spur fans that watch my channel may say this is a Spur case like silver and black. Don't let them be fooled though, it's more gray. But if you want to pick up these cases in any of these colors here, definitely check out the links in the description. I will have, you know, the links there. You can pick out whatever color you want. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7a. Also in the comments, pick out your favorite color. Which one is your favorite color? I actually like the black and the blue one. The gray one is really good too. Not so much on the pink color, but that is up to y'all. Y'all let me know what color you would pick if you had the Pixel 7a. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.